Welcome to WebDevelopers. Let's explore what is vibe coding, what are best free tools for vibe coding, and should you practice vibe coding or not. Vibe coding is a casual way of writing code by using AI tools or code generators without deep technical planning or understanding. You describe what you want in plain language, and the tool generates the code for you. Okay, now that we know what is vibe coding, I'm going to show you some free vibe coding tools that I personally use. These AI tools only require a free signup. No credit card is needed. Just type a prompt and generate the code for your app. You don't need to be a programmer to code an app anymore. But it helps if you know what is going on with the code. I have built several tools myself using these free AI tools. First, I'll share my favorite vibe coding tools. Then I'll talk about when it's actually okay to use vibe coding. So, ChatGPT. First tool is ChatGPT. You're already familiar with this. Even in free tier, you can use advanced ChatGPT features daily with some limits. Go to chatgpt.com, log in, and start using ChatGPT for free. Type in plain language what you want, and it will generate the code for you. Then we have Trae AI. Trae AI is similar to Cursor AI or Windsurf. It's a code editor like VS Code but with AI capabilities. So it's an AI code editor. You can choose AI model to use with it. Trae AI lets you use Google Gemini AI and Claude AI models as well, along with other AI models for free. To use it, head over to Trae AI website, download Trae IDE and install it. Then you will be able to use it. You can also install extension in it to enhance its functionality, just like VS Code. Trae AI unique features make it powerful vibe coding tool. It is context-aware AI tool that can help you build powerful apps. Then we have Firebase Studio. You can use this vibe coding tool from your web browser. No need to download and install anything. Use your Google account to log in. Describe what kind of app you want to build and let it do its job. In this tool, you can import a repository from GitHub. You can spin up a workspace under specific tech stack and start working with it. Choose React, Next.js, Astro, Angular, or any other available setup. Firebase Studio supports a lot of front-end and back-end frameworks. Provide instructions. You can even improve prompt. Click Prototype with AI button. Optionally, you can also upload image for reference or inspiration. After you give it instructions, it will show you plan for what it's going to build. Click Prototype this app to start building the app. After it's done building your app, you can also publish this app directly from here. It is using Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS to build this app. Gemini AI from Google is behind Firebase Studio. And here's our app. The app is working smoothly. Our app requirement includes NLP task management, so it needs a Gemini API key that it generated and used in single click, and finally it generated complete to-do list app. Then we have Bolt. You might be familiar with Bolt.new. This service can build anything, but it's paid or limited under free use. Good news is it's got an open source version too. That is bolt.diy. This is its GitHub page. It's open source and free version. To use it, go to its repository on GitHub, clone the repository or download this project, install Project Manager if you don't have it, and here are all the commands to set up this project. npm install -g pnpm. To install project dependencies, use command pnpm install and then run the project by using this command pnpm run dev. From there, you can use this app in a web interface in your own computer, just like you use board.new online. Bold.diy is free, but it will need API key from AI provider in order to work. But you can get the free API key from AI providers from Open Router platform. So there are ways you can use this AI for free for vibe coding. Then we have YouWare. This is another website that allows us to create anything for free. You can use plus button to upload images for inspiration. You can upload files and folders. You can also paste code to start from. Below they have shared projects created by the community. You can view projects and remix those projects according to your requirement. For example, this 3D room scene. It is completely built by using vibe coding. I can change the colors and customize this room according to my need. Let's create something. I'll type personal portfolio website for a web developer, and it's offering some enhancement like personal portfolio website for a web developer that showcases projects, skills, and contact information with a responsive design and smooth animation. Press tab to accept. Let's hit this button. It is thinking behind the scenes. And here is the result. We see a header with the image, and then about me, and there are cool animations. These animations are cool. Projects get in touch section, and I can click add the links in the header to go to relevant section. So this is amazing. And if I want, I can describe what I want to change here, and the AI will change this app accordingly. Let's try another app. Make a simple game where I can fly a plane. In a 2D environment, avoiding obstacles and collecting power-ups with touch controls for mobile devices. The game should feature an endless, procedurally generated landscape and a score system that tracks the player's distance flown and power-ups collected. So I think this much is sufficient. Let's build it. And here we have it. So it did all this thinking before getting this app. So it's kind of Flappy Bird. I collected one power. And here is another one. So I can remain on top of it if I want to play it longer. Oh, it crashed again. So it calculates final distance, power-ups collected, and total score as well. Let's create another app. Marketplace website that lists WordPress themes and plugins. Let's accept this suggestion with user reviews, ratings, and a robust search and filter system for easy navigation. Let's do it. All right, here it is. It went through a lot of thinking before creating this website. Marketplace with search, themes, plugins, reviews, support, with filter system. Amazing. Filter system is working. Yeah, for free. What more could you ask for? So as you can see, you can create anything instantly. Just type your requirement and there you have it. Once you are done, you can publish your website and share with anyone. This tool is free, but to download the code, you need to upgrade the plan. So there you go, my favorite vibe coding tools that make my life easier. Now, should you use vibe coding tools? I use vibe coding tools to quickly build simple utility tools like email extractor, text formatters, or file converters. These tools are perfect for automating small, repetitive, and boring tasks that I often run into during daily work or content creation. For personal use, vibe coding saves time and helps me prototype ideas without writing everything from scratch. It's like having an assistant that instantly generates working code from a simple prompt. However, when I am working on client projects, especially those that involve critical logic, data validation, or complex calculations, I avoid relying on vibe coding tools. In such cases, accuracy, testing, and maintainability are essential, so I prefer writing the code manually to maintain full control and reliability. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.